Hey guys, today we're going to be organizing all my fidgets. So yeah, I'm into a big drawer. Sorry, I look so bad. I'm getting ready for bed. It's like 9:30, 9:10. So hopefully I can get this done before 10 o'clock because otherwise I'm going to have to go to bed. This is the drawer. I already put the wacky tracks in. But yeah. Here's the drawer. So I added my white box in, and you can see, I need like an organizement for my marble meshes. I don't want to use I wonder what you could. But then, I do have like a lot of marble meshes. I'm not joking. A lot of them. And I have this thing. Try and I can put some in. Maybe I can put some. Yeah, maybe it will fit. Ooh, so for the arm. So say blue, yellow, green. Another one for green. Like I could actually, this could work. Ooh, this is working, guys. Look, it's an organizer. I have this mini one and then these two huge ones. So weird. Okay, pop it on in. Here's what I need to organize it. So it's good. That next of all, sorry, still on my wacky tracks. I'm gonna add this other blue one in. Can snap it. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna do a morning routine. Okay, well I can't snap this together. Okay, so now that's done. I'm gonna use some symbols. Ooh, how about pressure rings? So I can't see acupressure rings. It's really hard for me to say. So I'm just gonna use also like, so I'm gonna add like 4 of them. Hopefully they'll fit. Get the mini ones in the butt. Yeah. Okay, 2 in 1. Okay, we can deal with that. 2 in 1. I have 6 of them, so 2. Maybe I can like do 1 more. So these ones are really hard to squeeze in. These ones are pretty easy. Pressure rings are in there. This is it so far. I really like it. I think it looks super cute. And now I think I'm gonna do pea poppers and this. So I have 2 pea poppers, really sweet, really cute. I'm gonna pop them in. Pop them in. Pop the pea poppers. Sorry, I'm just making up really bad jokes. Pop the pea poppers in. And then the peanut popper in next to them. So organized. Monkey noodles. Damn you, monkey noodles. Pretty annoying. Okay, I'm gonna get all the marbles. Both the marbles in. That sounds sad to me. I don't know. The big one would have been better. See your name of a ship, Billy up to Sure, I have to do my singing. Or you could just skip. But so guys, what do you want me to post? Because yeah, I just don't know what to post. So this is unedited, so it's gonna be like really long and really horrible, but that sounded weird. Shining. That sounded okay. So the monkey noodle I'm just gonna have to put in. I'm just gonna put this unboxing in. It should work. Oh, look, it's a spiky bone. That with the marble. Sorry, not marble mushrooms. What is it called? Marbles. Not marble mushrooms. Okay, this is these magnetic rings. I draw it. And fidget pad. I really like the fidget pad. I think the fidget pad's a bit underrated. Like, I feel like people hate the fidget pad. I kind of like the fidget pad. Like, it's so cool. Like, can you see that? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna pop this in. Pinky ball. Globbles. How do you pronounce these? Because I pronounce them globbles. 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 I have to say an accent when I do it. It's really weird. I have a simple dimple here. But that's later on. That's the popping noise. Have a tangle and a poop. Like, I love how this looks right now, but I'm not turning around just yet. But you're gonna see the final one soon. Soon. I say soon, but probably not. Not soon. I'm just gonna keep popping them all. Okay. All of these are coming in. So these, I have 4 of the same stress ball. It's just a DNA stress ball that I'm adding in now. Now it's time for an Orbeez banana. I'm gonna add in like there. It's the Orbeez pineapple. Neato. Shaggy worm. Oh, sorry. I'm changing. Neato. So this, people say this is not a color changing Neato, but it actually is. See, this is a Neato. It's just a mini Neato. Like it's color changing banana. Back. Oh, the bike chain. I can add him in there. Another bike chain. Oh, and this. Wacky Jack, bike chain. If you're still here, comment down below something. Like, comment in the bulb if you're still here. Oh, pressure ring. A pizza. Now it's time for dimples. So I have these 2 regular simple dimples. So here's some ASMR. Yeah, that's some ASMR. Popping toys. Might also have a dimple. An Among Us character. So I have a red Among Us character. Dimple. That's pretty cute. Pop in a snapper. This is so weird. No, okay. Snapper. I like the snappers. Pretty cool. These dimples. So, they're both. Just like, never show them. They're both fidget spinners. This one pops really nicely. Some more track. Really nice, really cute. And this one is just a fidget spinner. And it's a dimple fidget spinner. Really like this. It's in black, not in white. A lot of stuff which is in white I don't like. Okay, you're taking me. I don't lose the tripod. The back. So if I like sit down here, how? There we go. That's better. Now I'm trying for the mythical creatures, poppets. I have a giant poppet which would take up like the rest of the space. You're still not allowed to see it. So if you want to see when I unbox this, go and check out my TikTok. You don't have to if you don't want to. All the rainbow ones from here. The square poppets. All the rainbow ones first. Okay. If they all go in a rainbow theme. And then we go with these other poppets. Then we go with my favorite poppet. Wait. Sorry, I'm just not showing you. So look at it. Otherwise I can't make. You ready for some ASMR? Ready? Cool, I really like this poppet. I think it's really good. Even my dad likes this poppet because he doesn't like poppets much. He can't put his fingers in there. Mochis. Mochis. I love them. They're all cute. My dad has named every one of them. Just a bunch of them in there. And yeah, so I just don't really hate mochis. I feel like people want to read them so much. Like, you feel like a broken thing from a mochi. Like, I think mochis are worth a poppet. Like, if it were, I think 4 marble meshes is worth a pop tube. And a pop tube, 2 pop tubes is worth a poppet. And 3 pop tubes are worth a huge poppet. And 2 huge poppets are worth a jumbo poppet. And 2 jumbo poppets are worth, like, that huge ones. Boobs. Going in by Shaggy. What's the name of it? I don't know what's it called? I don't know what the show is called. It's a bit stupid. Scooby-Doo. Forgot the name of Scooby-Doo. So now we have all the dimples. I think the fidget spinner on. So you've already seen this dude. Pop him in by that one. So then I have this Among Us one. It's not an Among Us one. I don't think many people have this. It's like, you see this like a mini Among Us character and you can pop him through. I like that about this. Put it in, and then the next one just will be this. It's just a regular dimple. Nothing much. Just a regular little dimple. A dinosaur dimple. I really like this. It's a bit hard to pop though. And then butter. It's supposed to be a fidget spinner, but it's really hard to spin because my fingers are like it fits and everything. It's just like really hard to spin. So you're gonna have like quite big hands. And then just pop them all through. And pop the mini one. So it's like a mini one up here. You see those here? That was really sweet. And then yeah. And then there's also dimple digits. Okay. And then a broken empty pressure ring if you want to count that, because I just did. And that is all of my fidgets. So now I'm going to fill up some space left. Here's all the fidgets. It looks so organized, right? So you got dimples, infinity cubes. Yes, I'm so happy. And there's my tripod. And there's me. That's me too. Don't ask about the mess on the floor. I'm just not filming YouTube. Yeah. And what's this one I was doing TikTok? Okay, no, we're not doing that. It'd be like my painting. It matches with my wall. See, there's my wall. And there's the painting. You do?
What's small?
Bye.